Hey, what's up everyone, this is your tech guy here with another video. Like I said, I'm gonna be trying my best to drop a video every week. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on your notifications so you keep up with when I drop the new ones. Today, I'm gonna be unboxing the iPad mini 4th generation. Here I have the space gray model, and as you can see on the left and right sides, it's gonna read iPad mini, just letting you know what device you bought. And as you can feel on the box, this is the OG packaging from Apple, and it's really the best that I like to open up. And so on the back of the iPad box, it's going to read iPad mini 4, saying my storage that I have 128 gigabytes and that it's a space gray Wi-Fi only model. All right, let's put this down. I'm going to come back and take a look on the inside. Alright, so we're back and we're going to unbox this thing. So let's flip the iPad over and we're going to grab these scissors and open them up and take a nice slice right into the side of the box so that we're going to be able to get into the goods, you know. So let's just put these scissors back to the side and let's peel this plastic right back and get this open. Wow, that was just the most awkward way to peel that off, but you know what, we're just going to keep on going with it. Alright, let's get this paper torn off and get to the side. Alright, we're going to pick up the box, and as you can see on the left and right side, it's going to read iPad mini, and on the front of the box, it's going to show the iPad itself. So let's just try to slide this out of the box, and it's always going to be a struggle, of course. And but it's just a little more, and here we have it, the iPad mini 4th generation in space gray. So let's just pick this beautiful thing up, and wow, just wow. You know, first impressions, it feels really light. It kind of looks a lot thinner than, you know, the old iPad that I had. I believe it's a little heavier than half of a pound and 6.1 millimeters thin, but you know, seems pretty good. So let's just put this to the side. And let's see what else is inside this box. So we're going to start off with flipping this box around and grabbing the booklet inside. All right, so let's take a look inside the booklet, and it's going to come with the iPad startup guide, you know, coming with the info about the buttons and what the buttons are going to do. And right behind that paper, it's going to read the iPad info, and behind that one, it's going to have the famous Apple logos. So let's just put that right back in there and, you know, put this to the side. And underneath that, it's going to be the USB lightning cable and also the USB power adapter. All right, and so that's going to obviously charge the iPad for you. So let's just put this back there so I don't lose these. All right, put that there, put that back. So that's going to be the end of this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed watching this. If you did, don't forget to hit the like button. If you're new to this channel, subscribe, turn on your notifications so you know when I'm dropping a new video. And as always, please drop a comment. You can leave your suggestions on what I should do next, or, you know, any recommendations on this channel. Once again, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next week.